Copilot is getting yet another visual overhaul as Microsoft changes its approach to AI across Windows and its various apps. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The new changes are focused on the version of Copilot in Microsoft 365 and making AI Assistant more consistent across apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Copilot is also changing its colors. You can still get Copilot to produce full color outputs, and it'll reference other apps by their colorful app icons. Although the Copilot interface is now a largely black and white, text-forward affair to make everything more readable and responsive. That approach also applies to Microsoft's AI Assistant itself. The Microsoft 365 Copilot app and the Copilot experience in Microsoft apps feature a new prompt service that changes size and reveals new functions as you type. You can input a purely text-based request to Copilot and it'll answer. But if you refer to the AI Assistant's other skills, like the ability to research or visualize, the text box will unfurl menu options for selecting files or guiding Copilot's visual responses. The app's new side panels and menus also collapse when not in use. These changes apply to how Copilot appears in apps like Word. The AI is now available in a consistent location across all Microsoft 365 apps and works similarly to the standalone Copilot app. The only wrinkle to Microsoft's Copilot redesign is that it's limited to the company's productivity software. Microsoft has been committed to being more thoughtful about where Copilot and AI features appear in Windows 11 and even started pulling Copilot out of certain apps. It's also changing what AI models it uses. After being an early investor in OpenAI and a beneficiary of its GPT models, Microsoft has now started rolling out its own in-house AI models. A visual redesign isn't a fix for the issues Windows users had with Copilot, but it does seem like a sign that Microsoft's AI strategy is in works. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.